Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to unfreeze OPay account. So the first is to pinpoint why your account was frozen. I'd like to walk you through some of the possible steps or some of the possible reasons for account freeze on OPay. Number one, suspicious activities. So fraud alerts or unusual logins can result in freezing your account. Likewise, incomplete registration or KYC not done. Example, no BVN, ID, utility bill, etc. Also, unresolved transactions or technical flagging can result to freezing your account. So how do you resolve this? You have to kick off contact via OPay app. So open the OPay app and go ahead and tap on the Me tab, which is currently at the bottom right corner, or you just head over to home and tap help from here. So just go ahead and type help, tap the help icon, and it's going to take you right into this window. So you can start a chat using the live chat by just clicking on this live chat button. Then once you get into the live chat communication window, you can just start a chat and say, my account is frozen. So choose a category, this is account. Then in the message box, say my account is frozen or blocked. And follow the agent's prompt, share your registered phone number, full name, and reason for the freeze. If you cannot use the app, then try call OPay customer care at 0700 888 8328 or 01 888 328. Email them at support@opay.com or customer service at opay-inc.com. WhatsApp at +234 916 599 8936. You can reach out to them via official Facebook or X Twitter pages. All right, so agents may ask for government issued ID, proof of address, recent passport style photo, BVN, and any info to clear any pending transactions or outstanding issues. So just follow the instructions and resolve the issues. Now, once everything is submitted, simple unfreezing could be resolved in 24 hours. Complex cases often take 1 to 3 working days. So just keep checking back via chat, email, or call for updates. When your account is reactivated, you get confirmation via the app, notification, SMS, or email. At that point, just log in again, reset your MPIN or login password if prompted, and continue using all OPay features. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.